Hi everyone, this is Dom Cinco, and here's a day in my life as a student in Leyte Normal University slash a call center agent. My class today ended around 4 p.m., so I decided to visit my mother. Here's my mother, the one who's holding Nescafe, and behind her is my sister, who is also a college student. Tamang pa-fresh lang, pampa-attract ng customer. By the
Charis.
way, we are located in Tacloban Supermarket, just beside the waiting shed. Our tinda for today, we have cucumber, sitaw, mais. If you're interested to buy, just visit us here. Story time. By the way, I'm a working student. Since 2022, I'm already working as a call center agent. I'm just so grateful because of this job. I was able to finance my education until fourth year, and I was also able to finance the education of my two sisters. My sister beside me is currently a first year student in Eastern Visayas State University, and the other one is also studying in Leyte Normal University. By the way, my shift later is between 8 p.m. to 5 a.m., and it's already 5 p.m. I only have 2 hours to sleep. So, need ko na talagang umuwi. I'm already on my way to my boarding house, and this is what I saw. Doggy. Ay, nakakaantok na talaga. But anyway, I really need to work hard for my education and also for my two sisters because I don't really want them to stop. Ay, hanggang dito na lang at ako'y matutulog po muna. Bye everyone! I woke up 7 p.m. because I need to prepare, and I'm already here. This is our office, which is located in Palo. By the way, for those who wanted to apply, you can just message me. We are hiring and we offer competitive salary. So, tamang papa-fresh lang. By the way, this is our comfort room. Hanggang dito na lang po again. After my shift, it's time to log out. So, naka-face recognition lang kami. All we need to do is to show our face para po makapag-log out kami. Bye everyone! Thank you for watching!